Hello children, once more your Arun sir going to discuss the rest part of the topic which we have started, absorption by roots. We have already discussed about the imbibition, diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion means free movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. Osmosis, movement of water molecule through a semi-permeable membrane and from higher concentration to lower concentration. That osmosis was clear. We have also discussed about an experiment related to osmosis. Now a question arises. In osmosis we have discussed that movement of water molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration. This movement will continue throughout the life that we are going to discuss. No, till the equilibrium is obtained. Equilibrium means both the side the concentration becomes equal. That is equilibrium, but there will be movement, but no net movement means total movement will remain same. Try to understand this experiment, very important for the examination point of view. Here we are going to discuss the nature of a semi permeable membrane and movement of water molecule. See here, this is side A and this is side B, and in between both sides we have kept one semi permeable membrane, and this side more amount of sugar we have added. This round shows the sugar molecule and other the water molecule. Round one larger spherical shape shows the sugar molecule and a smaller one the water molecule. Here less amount of sugar molecule is there and more amount of water molecule. Now try to understand. As far as concentration of solution is concerned, this side concentration of solution is more and this side concentration of solution is less. But if I will talk about the concentration of water, here less water molecule is there, less dilute solution is there, and this side more water molecule is there. And what will happen? There will be movement of water molecule. This side concentration of water is more, movement of water molecule from higher concentration of water to lower concentration, and this arrow shows movement of water molecule from side A to side B. So we have understood, and this movement will take place till equilibrium is obtained, and equilibrium means both sides the concentration will become same. Now in the previous video we discussed one experiment related to thistle funnel and rise in water level. Now dear children, once more I will like to discuss that experiment, and pay attention, take care what difference here we are going to discuss. Dear children, we have taken one beaker in which water was there and one inverted thistle funnel was there. Inverted thistle funnel was there. Here cellophane paper, and in this sugar solution was there. It was fixed by a clamp, and what we saw that sugar solution is inside and cellophane paper, it is a semi permeable membrane. Water molecule from outside will enter and the water level will rise in this tube. till what? It will rise, it will come out from this? No. After some time, it will become constant. There will be no rise in water level further, because against the gravity, this water level has to go up against the gravity. So gravitational pull will be there, and after some time, this water level will become constant. Now, dear children, do one thing. Instead of this let me put some weight here. This is the initial water level, and what we will do, we will put some weight. Some iron object or something which is there, or a piston we can take. Piston, you know, in Pichkari, in Holi, you play color. Pichkari, the part which you put up and down, or while you put air inside your football, that part is the piston. Or in syringe, syringe you have seen. Yes, that syringe by which doctor gives you injection, this part is the piston. We will take a piston and we will fix it, or you can put here some weight. This is the piston, and put some weight here. One small stone you can keep, or any weight you can keep. What will happen? Will there be rise in the water level? No, the water level will not rise, because this weight will not allow the water to go up. What is that which prohibits or which stops rising of water level? That is the osmotic pressure. Means osmotic pressure is the minimum pressure that must be exerted to prevent the passage of the pure solvent into the solution when the two are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. Or easy definition, osmotic pressure of solution is measure of its tendency to take in water by osmosis. Measure of tendency to take in water. That is the osmotic pressure. We have understood what is osmotic pressure. In the next video, we will discuss about the tonicity and other topic. Thank you very much.